GWH lost 9.24% yesterday, the 5th of December 2025. Volume was way less than its average volume, but this average volume is because of the expansion, the huge expansion that happened sometime in October, middle of October, thereabouts. It has influenced what the average volume is. But since that time, the volume has contracted, nothing close to what we had then. So it's just an indication that market participants are not keen on the stock at the moment. They're probably waiting for the next catalyst to probably come back in. And also, the company indicated it's having some financial challenges. But in any case, regardless, the algos seems to be suggesting that it might pick up the trend. The uptrend may resume, or it might pick up a bounce. It might attempt to retest previous highs from sometime in the middle of this month, yeah, from the 15th or 16th or thereabouts. This is just an extrapolation. It may not happen that way, okay, but before that time, it's actually saying that it might actually decline further after probably bouncing up till after picking up some strength from Monday the 8th, okay, up to Wednesday, okay. There's no guarantee that this will be the case at all. Okay, projections are currently saying nothing to the upside as of now, but previous projections were saying 3.49, 3.97426. But indeed, also we have this intraday high of probably 52-week high of 9.01. Okay, so it is still something. Momentum is expected to pick up modestly, not a decline. Momentum is expected to continue to rise modestly, going all the way towards the 20th of January. That may be a positive. That may be a positive. The algo seems to be aligning with the extrapolation that a bounce might come up from maybe the 16th of December. On its 4 hour chart, let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. Here we have a bounce is equally expected as well from Monday, and expected to remain in place at least up till Tuesday the 9th in the pre-market session. Then after that, it might go into a contraction. Algo seems to be sort of validating that as well, at least up till Monday, up to the close of Monday's trading session. Projections are currently saying 2.23, just a slight upper projection. Okay. Previous projections, we have here 2.23, 3.39, 5.11, 5.51, 5.76. These were as of the 13th of November. Yeah, 5.36 as of the 7th of November. Okay, yeah, there's ample room to the upside. Underlying trend is severely bearish. Yeah, it might they're just probably waiting for the next catalyst to pump the stock, pump to get into the stock. It's not exactly fantastic. Not fundamentally not sound at the moment. Volume has dried out. It's drying out. You can see. And this sort of volume is what it has been printing for some time now, since this expansion and the following, yeah, since this expansion. Then it was printing like 162 million. It was a climatic event. People got in into the stock. It was coming from the lows of around when did this happen? When it spiked, it was at 1.69. So they've done their business. They are no longer interested at the moment. But who knows? The next catalyst might engineer another huge expansion, and people won't forget this. They won't forget this. They might come back. They might come back. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. For now, it is not as the stock hasn't done well. It's still contracting that expansion. The expansion of the middle of that happened in the middle of October. Okay. And the algo seems to be suggesting that a bounce might happen. The question is, what is coming up that will probably warrant this to happen? So have a look and see what you make of GWH. And thank you very much for watching this video.